Hey guys, what's up? That's just my tech here, and today I have another unpackaging for you guys. This package is from Piolo. They are a company. If you don't know about them, the links will be in my infomania. Go check them out below. And without further ado, I will open the package. But before that, I would like to thank Piolo for sending this product out for review purposes. So yeah, let's unpackage the package. So let's see, how should we open this? And just put right here. Yep. Then cut the. And yeah, we just have this thing a little here, and seems like we have another envelope to open. I think they come in different colors, and this one is yellow. As you can see, it's marked here, I guess. So let's open the package, or rip the package. Yep. Okay, here we just have a business card here, and then we have this cute little stand. This is for iPhone 4S stand, and I'll be doing a review of this pretty soon, so stick around. And I would like to thank Piolo for sending this product out, and if you guys want to check them out, the links in the description below, and I'll be doing a written review as well on my website, so go check that out. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, favorite, subscribe if you're not already. I have a lot of good stuff coming up, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Till then, that's just my tech signing out. A peace.